What's up, guys? Cypherfox here. Playing Metro Redo Gun Challenge.
Finally! Taking your time as usual, huh?
Unless I have to.
Alright, grab your gear, go to the platform, they're waiting for us. I'll meet you there. Hey, Artyom, don't forget anything, huh? Вот
So
что,
far, it's
перевертаться,
been
бабушка,
soft
здорово! Вот что,
fairly
перевертаться,
easy,
кушает
but
компот! Вот что,
I know it's going to get more challenging. The question is, can I beat it? Will the challenge beat me?
Hey, that's some nice music.
Sorry, Arto.
Hey,
This
where
part
did you
of the
get that
station is under temporary lockdown. Only the guards are
from? Hey, you're sure you don't regret getting it?
You guys smoking reefer and listening to records?
I'm sick and tired of this shit. Why do I put up with it?
All right, then try something else now. How about... I know. How about the house where you'd like to live with your mom and dad? Oh, come on.
A big one?
Shit. Dream.
When mom comes back, I'll show it to her and she'll
I
be
dreamt I was on the surface again.
a great surprise for her son.
That's scary.
I don't want to hear about your nightmares. We got a good 50 years before we can go topside again. So go back to sleep already.
Yeah, that guy's going to be dead before they get back.
I wish you could see how much you've grown.
So, the top guy comes over and says, "Baby, if my wife could cook like you, I'd be the happiest man in the world."
Nobody home.
So I ask him, "Can't your wife cook at all?" And he says, "Actually, I'm not married."
Dirt everywhere. Just dirt. People are filth, you know? Liars, hypocrites, traitors, everywhere.
What? You saying that I'm dirt? Well, you're shit, okay?
Is that you, Pete? Can't you open it yourself? Lost the keys again. Go find the keys. You know I can't get up,
Room
idiot.
service. Okay, that was on.
Look who's talking about dirt. Walking around and leaving those dirty footprints everywhere. Not giving a damn about
who's
me
there?
to clean it up after them. Have something to piss anyone off.
You, Artyom. Well, let me get some rest, will ya? Will be my watch soon.
Get lost, Artyom.
Will now be secured by our combined military units. A major step in defense of the metro
Didn't I ask you to stay
As a
close?
sign of goodwill,
Looking for you all over the place ain't no fun at all.
already on our way
Don't
here.
make me worry like that, okay?
Counting on all our citizens to
Okay,
welcome our
Daddy.
new allies
I'm
and to
sorry.
offer them the same respect shown to our home guard. Thank you for your attention.
God, how can this be?
Artyom, please.
Tell me he's
My
gone.
son's
Well, I presume, not bad at
Could you
least.
spare a couple of cartridges? I'll pay you back as soon as I can.
Got a feeling I saw that guy somewhere. Bunkers over the Urals, but those bunkers were the first thing hit.
Thanks, Artyom.
First, they
I knew I could count on you.
civilians. And no man shot us with the war.
Good weapons make good soldiers. While at war, your weapon is your best friend.
That's my pistol. Let's go.
You value your own life so cheaply.
That is just what we do.
But your death is expensive for the ones you leave behind.
There was this stench in there. And some kind of
Right,
mace.
suit yourself.
Okay.
There's a lot of stuff to choose from, and only at our shop.
Whatever you say. Send them like someone to the foregods, so not to get lost.
You ain't gonna find anything.
Whatever.
Can I remove this from you?
If you can see it, you can kill it.
What I'm telling you. We started walking. Halfway down this
As
you wish. Touch to the
Set a reasonable price today. They are fresh.
Sounds like that.
Drunk again. Get the hell up, you slug. Well, sweetheart, what you gonna
This is my
Take your time. It's okay.
drink like there's no tomorrow? And the roll key if you don't get your ass home.
But only if you behave.
Let's
Your choice.
Move it, you wine sack!
Listen to her at home, alright?
Don't bother me.
Artyom, where's your gear? No, go to the armory and get geared up.
Hello, Artyom. So, what do you make of that new guy? He seems completely incompetent.
As if you were born a soldier.
Hello, Artyom. You need some weapons? Okay, let's take a look. Submachine gun, 5.45 caliber, made in the armory. It's got poor accuracy and overheats like hell. That's why they call it a bastard gun.
This looks like an armory. I feel like I have to pick that up.
Pork! Here, tender pork!
A good weapon makes the best partner.
Siberia was cynical reading the Kalashnikov is very proud.
Hey, you! Come over here.
Not talking aloud! You heard me!
And you, Artyom, should go. You got no business here. Prison is a place for thieves.
And now we use cartridges for currency.
Some of the sub-crews decided to get their revenge and went to their launch positions. Others reason that since the world is not...
Big trotters, fresh! A real treat if you know how to cook them.
Let's try this one. Okay.
Use short bursts, Artyom. Help yourself to some ammo, too. Here's a universal charger to keep the battery powered. And a gas mask. Put it on if you crossed any radiation hot zones. Or, God help you, go up to the surface.
You got it.
Army issue first aid kits, just in case.
I'll take that.
Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your weapon on my firing range. And you try not to stick out your head too much, okay?
Do I have to use this? That counts? Doesn't have to use it. Nope.
Do you think one day we could go back up to the surface? I've never seen Moscow, just the old pictures.
Moscow's gone. Soon we'll be gone too. And the monsters will inherit the Earth.
But there were other subways. In St. Petersburg, in Minsk, in Kiev.
People might have survived somewhere else, or at least for a while. But so many years have passed now, and we've heard nothing from them. The other cities didn't have defense rings like Moscow did. What a great city it was. St. Petersburg. The cathedral and the Admiralty with its spire. I remember summer nights in Nevsky Avenue, crowds, laughter, kids with ice cream, beautiful slender girls, music in the air, sweet enough to drink. What a beautiful world we've destroyed.
Hi, how are you, Artyom?
That wasn't right. Let's see what this is.
Come in, son. You're ready to set off.
Yeah.
You've probably heard that our station is creating an alliance with Riga.
We're sending them a couple of rail cars with humanitarian goods, some weapons, and some miscellaneous gear. That's the cargo you'll be looking after. It's not a very long trip, and it should not be too hard. Artyom, one thing before you go. I can see that you look up to Hunter, but a ranger's life is different than ours. They are reckless, even violent by nature. There's nothing to be gained by playing the hero, so stay clear of trouble. See the caravan to its destination and come home as soon as possible. Goodbye, my boy.
Hunter arrived at the expedition just on time. I like to think that was not just blind luck, that it was the fate at work, and that it was the same fate that made Hunter choose me to travel to Polis with his report on the Dark Ones. It seems that I've dreamt of visiting Polis, the great legendary center of the Metro, the center of civilization, my whole life. But a chance to actually make that dream come true just to come by now of all times, when my home station desperately heeds every fighter in the field. Do I have the right to abandon my adopted father, my friends, in an hour of danger? Where is my place? Next to them on the barricades, or at the forest stations where Hunter sends me? I don't know for sure, but I'm still set out on the journey. I'd like to believe that I am son of Bethlehem. Use my notes. Possible.
Hey, Artyom, how about the pizza? A mighty fine bet, I must say.
I'm holding it all right.
I told you to hold it.
I got it. I got it.
Artyom! Artyom, here! Here! Move it!
Yes, I'm here.
Привет! So you ready to move out?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Well, let's go then.
I think so. I don't think I'll ever really do it. Ready as I'm gonna be.
You take that seat, Artyom, and you, Eugene, take this one. Did anybody forget anything?
So, you get your gear? Let's go then.
Hey guys, going to Riga?
Yeah, we are.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, but no free rides. You'll have to pull the lever sometimes.
I can do that.
Let's go then.
Alrighty then.
Good luck to everyone staying home, and to us too.
Boy,
Let's go.
good luck to us.
So, are you ready to finally be somewhere else?
Oh, Artyomka! Free at last, huh? Well, for as long as the ride takes, anyway. Should be fun. Or dangerous. Even better, right?
It was the first time I had left the safety of my home station. It troubled me that I hadn't told my stepfather the truth. I would not be heading straight back from Riga. But Hunter was depending on me.
So, where you from?
Riga. I'm making the rounds, buying merchandise.
Well, I bet you've seen a few places then.
Yeah, the market is right
Go,
next
go,
to
go.
Riga, and that's a big metro already. I used to make regular trips to Polis, but getting there now requires a lot of luck. That or being from the same
I'd
team.
love to
How
ride
come?
that thing.
Hansa connects to the whole metro and has a lot of stations, but doesn't welcome outsiders. And if it's not Hansa, then you have to go through the Reds, the Nazis, or your regular bandits. And these guys are really going at it lately. If they're not fighting everyone else, they're warring with each other.
So this must be. Well, it says 2033, so I guess it's modern.
Reach the station itself.
Slow down, guys.
Peter, what's up?
A military caravan got stuck near Alexeyevskaya. A tunnel collapsed or other shit. You have to use the service tunnel bypassing Alexeyevskaya.
Ah, shit.
Ah, fuck. I hate this tunnel. All right, Peter. Open up the gate. No point being stuck here forever.
Why? Well, what's wrong with that tunnel?
Well, it's an ordinary tunnel. Not as well lit, maybe. I went through there last month and, well, I just don't like it. That's all.
Have a safe trip.
We're riding a ham car in Iran, so I think we'll make it there okay.
Yeah, we should be fine. Still not how to see the hand.
Damn, that's my head.
See what's great.
If you help push the lever, we'll get there sooner.
Okay, Eugene, you go help the men. We should move faster here. You watch the back, Artyom.
Sure, I'll help. That way we'll get to Riga in no time, right?
Now, we should get out of here sooner. It's scary when they're around. And I pity them.
Them? Who them?
Can you hear them breathe?
Whom do you mean, them? What are you talking about? What the hell is going on? Boris? Boris!
Hey, what's happening to me?
My head! What is it?
Artyom! Over here!
If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminate.
Is that Nemesis? Whoa. Is that oh, shit.
What the hell's going on? Shit! Wake up, people! People! Wake up, for Christ's sake! Boris! Boris, wake up! Boris! Shit! Oh, God! Oh, God!
That's not bugging. I don't know.
Shoot up! You shoot! I'll take the ladders! Come on! Wake up! We're all dead!
I'm hitting it. Okay. I was gonna say. Get out of here.
Come on! Help! Conserve the ammo, Artyom! Conserve the ammo! What the hell's going on? Shit! Wake up, people! People! Wake up, for Christ's sake! What is? Wake up, Boris! Shit! It's no good! Ah! Oh, God! Ah! Shoot them! You shoot! I'll take the ladders! Come on! Artyom, take my shotgun! Here!
He's alive! Come here, quick! Don't use a flamethrower! Please! Give him a chance! Fuck!
They don't like that.
That was hot. I need a drink.
Riga Station was only the first stop on my journey, but the caravan went no further. So, before parting ways, we drank to celebrate our survival. The vodka didn't drown my fear of traveling on to Polis alone, but I was about to find myself with an unexpected and notorious partner.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there, part 2. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment anything that you want me to try to do a challenge on. Until next time.